Can you open a bank account in Thailand with the new DTV visa? How do you get access to QR payments? When you start living in Bangkok, you can't avoid the issue of money. QR code payments, known as PromptPay, are incredibly widespread here. Having a local bank account can completely change your daily life for the better. But if you search online, you'll find a lot of discouraging posts. Things like Bangkok Bank has frozen new accounts, or ULLB turned away with a DTV or tourist visa. So, is it really impossible for DTV holders? I'm going to share my latest report from visiting banks all over Bangkok. First, are the online rumors true? The short answer is yes. It's gotten much harder since late 2025. Major Thai banks like Bangkok Bank and Kosakorn Bank have become much stricter. The old tricks of opening an account with a tourist visa and a small support fee just aren't work anymore. It's true that many branches will turn you away without a work permit, just like the forums say. Some people who opened accounts in the past on tourist visas are even finding their accounts are being closed. But here's where the DTV for soft power comes in. This isn't just a regular tourist visa. It's a long-stay permit for cultural activities promoted by the government. After talking to several banks, I realized something very Thai. The rules are interpreted differently by each branch and even each staff member. One branch might say no, while another one just a train stop away might say, "We can consider it if you have the activity certificate for your DTV and proof of residence in Thailand." So, what do you need to increase your chances? Based on my experience, there are 3 essential items. First, your passport with the DTV visa, obviously. Second, an original letter of enrollment from your sports facility. This shows you're actively training right now and builds trust. And third, a Thai residence certificate. This can be your rental agreement and the official certificate from your embassy. This is the strongest proof that you're not just a tourist. Now, for some tips on how to approach the banks. Your appearance and how you communicate are key. Don't show up in your workout clothes. Dress a little nicely and clearly explain that you are here to study your sport for 5 years and build a life in this country. Targeting specific branches can also make a difference. Ironically, branches in areas with many foreigners might be less familiar with the DTV instead. Try visiting a branch near your sports facility, one that staff and other members might use. They're more likely to understand your situation. So, to wrap up, opening an account is a long game that requires Don't give up just because you read impossible online. The DTV is new, and banks are still figuring out how to handle it. If you get rejected at the first branch, just laugh it off. That's pretty normal in Thailand. If you gather the right documents and communicate your intentions sincerely, there's definitely a chance for DTV holders to get a bank account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on living in Thailand.